Hello everyone, this is Manoj from CadOasis Solutions, and I welcome you all to this video tutorial series on DraftSight. Topic for this tutorial is Introduction to DraftSight User Interface. We'll have a look at the different UI sections inside DraftSight window now. For this tutorial, I'm using DraftSight 2017 SP2 version. So let's begin. Title bar. The top middle section of DraftSight window is called the title bar. Here, active drawing file name is displayed. Application button. On top left corner of DraftSight window, you can see a DraftSight logo. This is known as the application button. Click on the application button to explore different commands related to DraftSight application. For example, you will find the commands such as export, sheet, manage here. Quick access toolbar. This section to the right of application button is called as quick access toolbar. You can switch between DraftSight workspaces and access some basic commands from here. You can also customize this toolbar by clicking on the drop-down arrow and selecting any command from this list. Next, we have the menu bar. Below the quick access toolbar, you'll find the menu bar section. Each tab contains a set of relative commands in its drop-down list. Toolbars. By default, these toolbars are located at three different sides of DraftSight window. Each toolbar is a collection of related command buttons. You can move these toolbars, dock or undock any side of DraftSight window except bottom side. Simply click on the dotted line, hold down the left mouse button and move to the other side of the DraftSight window. Release the mouse button when you see this highlighted background to dock it there. Palettes. These are the most important elements in DraftSight window. You can turn on palettes by right-clicking on Toolbar's blank area. It contains detailed information and functionality options to work with. Same like Toolbar, you can also dock and undock palettes inside DraftSight. There is a push pin button on palette. This will auto-hide the palette when you click away from it and show when you hover your mouse cursor over the palette title. Next up, we have the ribbon bar. When you switch your DraftSight workspace from classic to drafting and annotation workspace, from the quick access toolbar, you will see the ribbon bar. It is a collection of ribbon tabs, panels, and command buttons. Ribbon tabs are categorized with set of relative panels, and each panel inside ribbon tab is a collection of relative commands. You can hide and unhide this ribbon bar by toggling on this button on the right. Drawing tabs. This section is known as the drawing tabs section. You can click on the plus button and open a new drawing inside the same DraftSight window. If you hover over any drawing tab, you will be able to see the model and sheet thumbnails. Clicking on any of the thumbnail will take you to the respective model or sheet. Right-clicking on the drawing tab or blank space on it will show you more options. Next, we have the drawing area or the graphics area. This is the core work area where you draw entities and manipulate them. Sheet and model tabs. This section displays the sheet and model tabs of active drawing. Clicking on each tab will activate the drawing area assigned to that sheet or model. You can also hide these tabs by right-clicking on any of the tab and by selecting Hide Sheet and Model tabs. These tabs will be shifted to the bottom section of DraftSight window on hiding. To move these model and sheet tabs to original position, right-click it, select option, display sheet and model tabs. Next section in DraftSight UI is the command window. You can enter all command and their respective options here. You'll be able to see the history of commands and options by pressing function key F2. We can dock and undock this command window to the bottom of DraftSight window. Status bar. The last section which I wanted to discuss in this tutorial is the status bar. By clicking on these icons, you can turn on and off user preferences in DraftSight. Right-clicking on any of these icons will take you to their respective settings inside Options dialog box. So, that's all for introduction to DraftSight user interface. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Visit our website www.cadoasis.com. Thank you.